Good morning, class. So, the extension of this lesson now, we're going to look at the example 1, and it's on page 6. Okay, so this is for exercise 2, which is on page exercise 2 is on page 7. So here we are told that the sixth term of an arithmetic sequence is -5. And the sum of the second and the eighth term is -2. The question says determine the first 3 terms of the sequence. Okay? So a lot of information is given here. So let's read again. We are told that the sixth term of the arithmetic sequence is -5. So what is that? T6. Not so. So T6 is -5. And the sum of, what does the sum mean? To add. The sum of the second, what is that? T2. And the eighth term, which is T. So what does that mean? I must add the 2 terms. So what do I write here? T2 plus T8 is equal to -2. Let's read again. The sixth term of the arithmetic sequence -5, and the sum of the second and eighth term is -2. Okay, did I lose any of you? You all understand, huh? So, what is Tn? What is the general term? What is the general term of the sequence, of the arithmetic sequence? Sorry? A plus n minus 1b. How did I know it's arithmetic? It says so. The sixth term of an arithmetic sequence. So if I'm going to go with T6, then what would this be? T6 is equal to A plus, what's 6 minus 1? 6, yes, you guys are showing some promise there. What is T2 then? A plus 2 minus 1 is 1d. Not so. What is T8? A plus 7d. What is T12? A plus 11d. What is T98? A plus 97d. And so on and so on. You guys understand? You got it? Alright. So, with that in mind, okay, and then say T6 is going to be A plus 1. 5d is equal to -5. So what do you notice now? You guys notice nothing? They get over the equal sign, it becomes a simultaneous equation, 2 unknowns, which is then going to result in a simultaneous equation. Okay, you guys think you did these simultaneous equations for nothing? So let's go with on the side. So remember, for simultaneous equation, I need at least 2 equations, if it's 2 unknowns. Okay. So with this one here, what would it be? T2 is what? A plus D plus. T8? A plus 7D is equal to -2. So what's A plus A? Nice. 2A. D plus 7D? 8D is equal to -2. Can I simplify this a bit? Maja's friend is saying no. Can you divide by 2? Yes. Or you could have left it like that. It would make no difference. Okay. It's just that the sum will be a bit bigger to work with. Okay. It's not that big of a deal. So is it a plus 4d is equal to negative 1. And this is the equation. So what do I do now? I'm going to substitute equation 1 into equation. So wherever we see a, we put a negative 5 minus 5d. So it's negative 5 minus 5d plus 4d. Oops. We lost that, right? Is equal to negative 1. You all agree with that? So, you take a negative 5 over, becomes negative 1 plus 5, which is 4. Negative 5d plus 4d is negative d. Therefore, d works out to be negative 4. Okay? See any confusion? Okay. So how do we calculate a? You substitute this negative 4 into equation 1. Why into equation 1? So we already have a as the subject of the formula. Okay? If we had substituted into equation 2, we would have made no difference there. Okay? We don't have any marks on it. So let's go. A is then simply equal to negative 5 minus 5 times negative 4. So negative 5 times negative 4 is 20. Negative 5 plus 20 is 50. Have I answered the question? What was the question? That were the first 3 terms. And we discussed already how do we do that. Remember, the first 3 terms is a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. Not so? So what's your a value? 15. The first term is 15. So what's your d value in this case? Negative 4. So what's going to be 15? Minus 4. Or 15 plus minus 4. Which is 11. And if I add another d to it, in other words, I'm subtracting 4, the answer is going to be 7. So the first 3 terms of the sequence is 15, 11, and 7. Alright, any confusion? So with that, you should be able to do exercise 2 on page 7. Alright.